Hi everyone! Here is a quick overview of the Cwicly add-ons within the Gutenberg Editor. On the left, you will find the Cwicly import element, which gives you access to the Cwicly design library, where you will find a wide range of template parts and wireframes. On the right, you will find the Cwicly global styles. This is where you can adjust colors and typography globally across your entire website. The Cwicly My Collection allows you to have quick access to the personal elements you have saved. On the far right, you will find the Cwicly Navigator. This brings up a draggable list view to help you navigate quickly through the design elements of your page. These are the add-ons you will find in the Gutenberg Editor header.